Black alert. Black alert.
Hey everybody. In the next few weeks, Polar Lights is putting out a new Star Trek Discovery model kit. Now this may be a smaller kit. It's about 12 inches long. It's still 28 parts, and Round 2 really has pulled out all the stops in making this. Here it is, the USS Discovery. Now the great thing about this kit is it really does scale with the builder. It's molded in color. It comes in kind of the bronze and gold color that the ship is. And then most of the details on the ship can be done with the decals. They give you 2 large sheets of decals that really cover all of the gorgeous panel details in this ship. The decals are really this gorgeous metallic color that may not show up that well in the video. But if you look at this, all of those panels, all of those windows, all of those details are all from the decals. So a beginner modeler can decal the ship and really see all of this gorgeous paneling. More advanced modelers can paint a base color, can start painting details to really bring things out. But really, mostly on this, I've only done a base coat of paint and painting like that spine a slightly different shade. And that really will give you a great looking model. A little bigger than the Eagle Moss ship, but definitely more detailed with those decals on it. Now, Round 2 has done a few things that if you're a more advanced modeler, you can take this to another level as well. They've provided clear parts, and it's a wonderfully engineered ship. So if you do want to light the USS Discovery, you can do that, and I have. So let's turn on the lights and take a look at what you can do with this model kit. So you can see you can light those nacelles. You can get those 3 points of light on the Bassard collector, and you can light those long blue strips in the nacelles. Round 2 has been trying to put colored parts on their smaller kits. Their 1/1000th USS Defiant kit had some nice clear parts, but it's a wonderful addition to the 1/2500th scale ships. And that's really a great angle to show what you can do. Lighting those clear nacelles, lighting the bridge dome, lighting the engines. And if we kind of look underneath, you can light the deflector array as well. Wonderful, fun little model to kind of build. And the great thing about this scale is Round 2 has produced almost all of the Star Trek ships in 1/2500ths. All of the Enterprises are made in this scale, which means you can do some really great displays with other ships. This is another model Round 2 has put out recently, the 1701D. And so you can line them up, see how they kind of fit together. And so a lot's been made about Discovery being a larger ship than a lot of the TOS ships. But when you finally do get next to like one of the next generation ships, you can see it's not that big. It is still dwarfed by a Galaxy class ship. Yeah, Galaxy class still much, much bigger than the Discovery. So look for this model kit on your shelves in your local hobby shops. Also, feel free to check out this YouTube channel. I have an hour-long build video showing every single thing about this kit, from breaking down the parts, to showing you how to build your own lighting kit for it, to showing all of the painting and decaling that I did on my ship. We've broken it down in its description so you can skip between different chapters. Check it out if you're interested in seeing how this kit goes together. Check out our channel for a ton of other great YouTube videos about Star Trek ships that have come out in the past year. everything from that huge 30-inch Katinga model kit that came out last fall to scratch building, lighting, and an interior to the Runabout kit. We'd love for you guys to like and subscribe to our channel. Put in comments down below. We've got a lot more models coming up in the next year. Round 2 is going to keep putting out these Discovery kits. Hopefully they are just as well done as the Discovery has been. Thank you guys very, very much for watching.